What's going on, everyone? Sean Dinner here from the Peterson Real Estate team. Hope you are doing well. Found this really cool website I want to share with you, Mortgage Sandbox, and they've got a ton of articles, a lot of data. So if you like data, you're into the numbers, then this is definitely a website to check out. So real quick, I'm not going to go through the whole article because there is a lot of information. The main one here, about halfway through the page, is they've taken all of the numbers and predictions from the banks, things like CMHC, Moody's Analytics, and of course their own predictions to put this chart together to sort of show you overall what everyone is forecasting, and obviously vastly different outcomes. So this is essentially your trend line, what the average forecast of everyone would be. You'll kind of see it comes up early 2021, where it slows down and then slowly softens and kind of stabilizes. Now, some people are predicting that it's going to essentially skyrocket, and this is where we'll be at the end of December 2021. On the flip side, this is where a lot of the media is going to be grabbing the articles from to make those headlines to get people's attention, is that here it's going to completely crash in the new year, and some articles say it's going to be a 10-year recovery or something like that before we're back to 2020 numbers. Now, what I'm trying to get at is no one has any idea what's going to happen with the market. As you can see here, some people are saying it's going to keep going up and it's going to go up forever. Other people say no, it's going to crash, 10-year recovery, just like 2008. We don't know what's going to happen. No one has a crystal ball. What we do know is what is happening in today's market, which could be completely different a week from now. So what we know, especially for those who own a property and maybe close to retirement or have an investment property or two or three, now would be an amazing time to cash in. Why? Because inventory is very, very low and buyer demand is higher than usual. There's a lot of people out there who sold properties before the holidays and they're desperate for a house. They don't want to be homeless. This is why we see townhomes in Churchill Meadows with 72 offers, another house in Brampton with 40-something offers. Hamilton, even, there's a property 15. Oshawa is seeing 20-something offers on some properties. So it's all over the GTA. So this isn't to scare any of the buyers out there. We do have strategies in place to secure you a home. But that is the reality of the situation happening right now. An amazing time to be a seller. One last chart I want to show you as well on this page is the months of supply. You may hear a lot of talk about this, and I'm sure you've heard a buyer's market, seller's market, and a balanced or neutral market. Now, they're saying the seller's market is less than 5 months inventory, a balanced 5 to 9, and a buyer's more than 9 months inventory. This is up to interpretation. Most people, we say if it's less than 3 months inventory, it's going to be a seller's, 3 to 6 being a buyer's, and anything over 6 months, 3 to 6 being neutral, anything over 6 months is a buyer's market. So keep that in mind. Either way, you can see here, seller's market for houses all year, since 2017. Same thing with townhomes. It's barely peaked, not even 3 months of inventory. And condo, similar situation. We saw the big peak obviously after COVID. A lot of condos came on the market. A lot of Airbnb people, owners, and investors were kind of dumping their condos. So we saw an influx, and now it started to trail off a little bit with 1.8 months of inventory at the end of December. So there was a really good time right here in late spring, early fall, when condos were an amazing buy. Now we're getting back to a more normalized market. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Link to this article will be below. When you have some time, there is a ton of information on this website, so feel free to go through. And if you are thinking of buying or selling or both, let me know and we'll come up with a strategy to best help you and make sure that now is the right time for you to make a move. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you.